What's that? What's that? I don't want to talk about. I want to talk about what we talk about all again.
So you want me and you to go do?
Yeah.
You know?
Yes.
What is
I need more of this. My hair thick.
Yeah, I'm gonna try not to cry. I'm gonna deal with you. What?
This
You
is
have to
not
put
up in
it
your
on
brother.
Okay.
So,
It would be a good reaction for
watch out now. If you comb my head,
Sit down.
I'm just thumb me when you're mad at the head.
Alright. That's fine. Oh! What the
Hey girl, wait till me get breast cancer. Oh, I'm telling yo, she know me kill her. She know me kill her. How much are we? 120? Me kill her, no?
117. Turn.
Oh
You
my
look like
God,
a
man.
fireboy. Turn sideways.
Okay, go on.
Guys, you know Fireboy and Water Girl, the game? This boy look like him.
You play that? It's
Yes.
a two-player thing?
Yes.
Fuck up on why it? You don't understand, man, at all.
Yeah.
Why it?
No.
We said the play, man.
I don't remember Water Girl. But you guys know Fireboy and Water Girl? This nigga?
You gonna break my neck, brother?
Fire-
Sure.
Fireboy. Anyways, so
Yo,
like,
today she gonna pull out my ear, cause my ear not up bad, and she gonna catch it up. That's all. That's all we're gonna do now. Like, we now have nothing to post, and when you say we can't post anything, so I'm posting this.
so guys, I feel like it's a theme for girls to come on this channel and
Oh,
show this here.
we don't can't even see her to rot. Yeah.
So like, yeah.
You feel like you look good? You feel like you look
No,
good?
I look like an egg if my hair is not on my shoulder.
Wait. Do it, let me see. Put it back.
See?
Hold on.
Stop.
Do it again. No. That's it for the. Alright, let's hold it. Wait.
No thumbnail.
But nah, thumbnail, brother. Cause if I was doing a thumbnail, you're done. Gosh, you're done standing for like more than 2 frames. Like, but done can make thumbnail already does. Yo, Kayla, you're low-key ugly, you know?
Anyways. So we are going to take the comb and put it, line it up with his nose. Because his nose is in the center.
Can you give me plats?
Okay, I'm gonna try. I can't plat guys.
Yo, bala. It's not like your hair where it's really thin. You're gonna have to take your time. My shit's sensitive as fuck. Like, you need to chill, bro. Take your time.
Okay.
Calm your nipples.
Okay. Chili balls.
Exactly.
Chili balls.
You know the thing, though.
Alright, let's go. Let's get it.
Kayla.
Yo, Kimani, like, I barely
It
touched
feel like you popped my ear a while ago.
But I'm parting the hair. You know
Alright.
make the ear just now?
No. Them not
The
deal
ear
with it.
just now,
Them not deal with it like oh you deal with it. That's all I got.
Them deal with it, so.
So, Kayla. Yo. You swing it not up, so?
Yeah.
You try and twine it and down. You see that pop thing there? What you do?
Yeah.
Cut that fuck, you know. Cut that fuck, brother. Alright, come out of my head.
Wait, no, I'm gonna do the thing where I tell me. Yeah, man, mash up your phone. See, I knew you were playing. Stop playing with me. You have an Xbox, stop playing with me.
Stop what?
Stop playing with me. You have a PS4, stop playing with me. So how does it feel to be in the top 10 Jamaican YouTuber charts?
I don't want that.
Alright.
Where you got money for? I got money for.
Damn, you racking up those bands. Taking home the check.
Don't for money. What's that? I don't want that. I want to talk about what we talk about all again.
So you want me and you to go do?
Yeah.
You deaf or you not here?
Alright, so if I'm a prank,
Yeah.
what you gonna say? Still no?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause I rate your girlfriend. I do.
Alright, so if I never get my girlfriend.
No, because I'm not supposed to give away.
What do you mean pussy giveaway? What's that?
You can't
just run some pussy on a man. You can't just run the buff.
When we feel like.
Say you wouldn't run the buff on man.
Oh,
you're checking if it's recording. It's not. Look, it's not. You get dumb as hell, brother. I'm really asking you true. Let's look so I can see your face.
So you normally give your girlfriend one?
What you mean? What? No, but like you don't know. So you always there on me. Ow, can you take your fucking time? So you always there on me, Kayla.
No. Use the shea moisture come out here.
Say it again.
Use the shea moisture for putting out your permit out.
Yeah. Yes, I tell them buy. You know what 3-5 feet?
At the wholesale?
No, Liz.
Where the fuck you buying it at the supermarket? Dumb, stupid, or dumb, huh?
Anyways, so like, you look like he's about to say yes. Dog, alright, yeah, hear me? I don't have sex for like 3 months. 3 months in. You can't bust me.
No. I don't know if somebody did with other
Guys, I'm trying. It's not working.
You work for it?
Should not say yes.
I don't want you, Kimani. I don't want you. Bomba class.
You know what's crazy? Everybody think that all of my female friends like
you want them a fuck.
Yeah, people are so dumb. Well, the guys that are instigating the bullshit. Oh, Kayla. That's unnecessary. You don't need to be doing that. Anyways.
Oh, you deserve it. Come, I never know say that.
So Kayla, if you never in a relationship, right? And yes, I'm gonna come look here. You wouldn't run the buff.
Of course.
Oh. Come here, say.
You not see his eyes? No, like honestly, like to be seriously
Stop
honest, like
ow.
The first thing that drew your attention to me were your eyes, and I'm not even gonna I was like.
Alright, stop with the compliments. Stop. You're gonna swell my head.
Yeah, you're too ugly for him.
I can't believe you said no to me. God, this shit hurts so bad. Damn, Kayla wouldn't give me no pum pum. I didn't realize. Oh, she said, what you say, you never read tell her?
I said if you were single, I would give it to you.
No, if I never single, because nobody not single these days. Let me feel this. Everything come out?
This not come out yet for me.
Oh, true, a bit like.
Yeah, so like.
Yo. Take your blood clot time. Chop. At the air. Yeah, I like you know?
I'm gonna need some water.
You thirsty?
No, for your hair.
Oh, you want water?
Yeah.
You remember all the people done in the comments and not really?
What were they saying? I don't read the comments anymore.
Not.
Which comments?
Oh, yo, Kayla, my scalp is sensitive, dog. Can you stop?
Okay.
When they talk about your body, will like a bird.
Brother, you do not know when they eat spicy food.
Yeah, but they never said anything there.
Brother, so take it out to the video then.
Well, that video they up long time, brother.
It was funny.
Kayla said, yo, every time I did that, it hurt my scalp. Stop.
The phone thing?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
My scalp really sensitive.
Okay.
I have diabetes. Kayla said, guys, my bottom was gonna burn me. Everybody in the comments are doing it. Why?
Well, I'm glad you guys liked it.
You want to drink the water and let's burn you and kill you. You know what I'm saying?
Well, your hair is long.
Oh yeah? Think so?
Yep.
One eternity later.
Kayla is telling me that if a guy can't take... What you saying?
If you can't tell me out on a date...
Yeah. Watch it, pretend like you're not talk to a camera. You talk to me, right? Because when I'm talking to the camera, I pretend like I'm speaking to someone.
If you can't tell me out on a date...
Yeah.
Pay for my food. Drop back to my house.
And drop him, say... Okay.
Or if you don't drive, at least pay for me to go home.
Okay. So basically, money is a factor. Okay. And like you like jewelry and stuff like that?
If I like what?
Jewelry.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay. Would you pay for his food?
If I would pay for his food?
Yeah.
I've never done that before.
Okay. Would you pay for his ride to go home?
No.
Can you elevate your voice, please? I can't.
No.
Okay, so basically, your standard is you wouldn't talk to a guy that is broke.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Are you rich?
No.
No. Okay. You're not rich, right?
No.
But you want a rich man.
No, I never said I wanted a rich man. I said if you can't even afford to pay for my food,
A lot of guys can't afford to pay for.
You can't afford to pay for food? For somebody's food?
A lot of guys can't do that.
If you can't afford to do that, man, you're not gonna win. That's not even nothing, like...
Well...
If me and you are gonna...
You there with a homeless man?
No.
No?
Are you... What may I do with that?
That I did with me when we did.
We're not calling anybody's name. This is just my opinion.
It's your opinion. Okay, so...
She did it for you?
I was homeless.
Yeah.
And we did that. She knew my situation. And I couldn't buy her food. Most of the time, she tell her buying me food. Most of the time, she paid my fare.
But that's your girl though, like you guys have a connection.
The point I'm making is, what if the guy that you're there with is a trying youth? What if he's a trying youth? Because I never start see money on YouTube till like last year Christmas. December was mine. Okay?
Alright, from your try.
You're not gonna know how long the man will take for like be successful. But yeah, put the camera on, I'm lock it up.